Once you do not have the capacity and the system to replenish, you are not wealthy. Is this a deliverance for someone already? Yeah. Because for the average person, our mind is stayed on just the arrival of financial resources. And there are many ways that can come. The leverage of inheritance, a salary that is coming in, and that's wonderful. But to be wealthy, you need the presence of abundant financial resources, and then the systems put in place that guarantee multiplication, that guarantee sustainability. And then of course you have time, and then you have peace of mind. If you do not have these things, you are not wealthy. Next definition, that would be number 4. The 4th definition is kingdom wealth. Now, kingdom wealth and wealth are not the same. We are kingdom people, and so I want to give us that extended definition. So 1, prosperity, we defined it. 2, riches. 3, wealth. 4, kingdom wealth. What is the difference between kingdom wealth and wealth? Is the word kingdom. Kingdom. Every other definition of wealth stands true for kingdom wealth, except that in addition to just accumulating money and having systems, there is purpose that is connected to it. And that purpose is the furtherance of the program of God. That is the difference. There are 3 elements that make wealth to become kingdom wealth. Ultimately, it is purpose. What separates wealth from kingdom wealth is the purpose for which you are raising it. I don't want to start frustrating you by talking to you that in our world today, there are many wealthy people, but the assignments connected to the various monies they have are not the same. A terrorist group has wealth, but that wealth is not kingdom wealth. It is directed towards an agenda. Am I right on that? Kingdom wealth has to do with abundant financial resources, systems for its multiplication and sustainability, but then it is directed towards the furtherance of the kingdom. It is directed towards kingdom come, essentially. Very subtle difference, but very powerful one. So someone can be wealthy. As far as his work on earth is concerned, he would not suffer lack economically. But that person may be irrelevant from a spiritual standpoint and from a kingdom standpoint, because his resources and the businesses and whatever it is that he has is not promoting God's interest. When your wealth, no matter how dexterous from an economic standpoint, when it fails to serve the purposes of the kingdom, it cannot be called kingdom.